Here's something that you can do to make sure that you get the most out of any training course that you go on, either online or in person. So any trainer, when they set up good sessions, they have learning objectives. A learning objective is something that you'll be able to achieve by the end of the session to guarantee you get the results. Now there's different ways of looking at this, but to keep it really simple, you will have generic things. By the end of the session, you'll be able to do this. Now that's great. The trainer will take care of that. You don't have to do anything. What I would also say is, for you personally, set a personalized learning objective before you attend the session. Say, why am I here? What do I need? Yes, I know we're going to cover these things. Yes, I know I'm going to achieve these things. But more important, I need this bit. And be really kind of what I call selfish about that. Try and get that. Ask questions during the session. If you don't get it in the session, think, right, can I contact the trainer? Where can I go for further training? How can I get that? Because a lot of people, they say to me, oh, I love your training sessions because you personalize it. And I take the time at the start of mine and say, right, set your own. But if you don't get a chance to do that with training sessions, set it before you go in. It's just something you can really do to really narrow in and laser focus on you and your needs. Because the last thing I want you to do is to attend a training course and get good results and think, yeah, I know this thing, and get maybe 70, 80% of what you want. But why not get 100, Why not get the thing that you really came for? And if you're not sure what it is, that's useful as well, because then it makes you think, well, why am I doing this training? Why am I actually here? We need to know the answer to this. Otherwise, we can't get the results we want, both in terms of performance or knowledge, all right? So set a personalized learning objective, as well as the generic ones that are part of the session for you. Why are you there? And then make sure that you get it. All right, good luck.